I'm Susan. Today I am trying a recipe that I found in a folder, and it was one of them that my mom had written out. I love finding recipes in my mom's handwriting. I don't know that she ever tried this recipe, but I was intrigued, so I thought I would give it a try. And it's called sweet potato chocolate nut cake. And it really sounds delicious. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of mashed sweet potatoes, 1½ cups of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 3 cups of plain flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and a teaspoon of salt. You'll need 1 cup of, it said chopped walnuts, but I don't have walnuts, I'm using pecans, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate melted. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have sprayed a 10-inch tube pan with Baker's Joy. Now I'm taking my sweet potatoes, my vegetable oil, and my eggs, and I'm going to beat that until it's smooth. Now I want to add in my flour, my sugar, my spices, my nuts, and my vanilla, and mix until it's well combined. Now I want to take out 1/3 of the batter, and I'm going to mix in my melted chocolate. Now in my tube pan, I'm going to put half of this batter into my tube pan and spread it out. Then I'm going to put all of the chocolate in there, and then I'm going to top it with the other half of the sweet potato batter. And then I just want to run a knife through it so that I can get it to marbleize. here it is. Now you see how pretty this cake looks. Well, I let it cool and I really goofed up. I flipped it out onto the rack and I tried to flip it back out onto the plate, and it was still warm and it just fell to pieces. But I tell you what, it was still good. I really love this cake. It was so tender and moist. Oh, I made such a mess, and my cake was so pretty, but it didn't stop the taste. I highly recommend you try this. Y'all have a great, wonderful day, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell to be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, and until next time, bye y'all.